Hello guys and welcome to Tech Me More. In this video I'm gonna tell you a method to get low ping in PUBG Mobile so you can fix the lag problem during the gameplay. So don't skip this video, watch till end, and if you like please subscribe to Tech Me More. So let's start. First of all I will check how much ping I am getting. So I will open PUBG Mobile. Then I will see how much ping I am currently getting and then we will try to reduce it. There you can see that in Europe I am getting 170, in Asia I am getting 397. So let's start a game. As you can see that I am getting 516 ms, now 380 ms. Okay, so you can see that the lowest I am getting is around 380. So now how to fix this? Don't worry, I will tell you. So to fix this ping problem, you need to go to the Play Store and in the search bar type 1DNS and press enter. Okay, now install this app. Now open it. Okay, so now the app is installed. Just follow me. Click on the start button.
Return to one-tap online security with NordVPN.
Just skip this ad.
Enjoy fast and safe online browsing.
Okay, now you need to, when it asks for the permission, just click OK. And now you can see that it says successfully connected. Now go back to your PUBG Mobile game. Wait for the loading. And you can already see that, oh, there you go, 96 ms. Isn't it amazing, guys? 88 ms. Perfect. It worked perfectly. So that's how you can reduce the PUBG mobile ping. Let me tell you how much ping I am getting in other servers. This is not your actual ping, okay? The actual ping is the one you are getting during gameplay. So let's start in Europe server. So I was getting around 90 ms in Asia, and let's see how much I get in the Europe server. There you go. You can see that you are getting 120 ms, now 116. So that's how you can reduce the PUBG mobile ping. One more thing that I want to share with you guys is that go to the app info and then go to the battery saver and set it to no restrictions. In this way, this app will keep connected to the server and it will not disconnect during your gameplay. So your ping remains constant and do not fluctuate. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to Tech Me More YouTube channel and give this video a like and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.